In this video, you'll learn how to use King at Law's North Carolina family law platform, Compass. The dashboard is your hub for tasks, deadlines, and meetings. Check the Tasks tab often to make sure you're meeting deadlines, completing tasks, and taking note of upcoming court dates. The Meetings tab will show upcoming meetings with your lawyer. Here you can see upcoming meetings, reschedule your meetings, or schedule an additional meeting. The Zoom link for your meeting is also here for convenient reference. The Evidence screen is where you'll provide information and evidence using 3 different methods. First, if there is some kind of incident or altercation with your ex, go to the Logs tab and fill out an incident report. This will create a diary of incidences with your detailed recollections and evidence for use at trial. Second, go to the Disclosures tab to see step-by-step wizards for providing disclosures required by the court. Compass will only show you the disclosure wizards that are relevant to your disputes. The Bank Sync step on the Disclosures tab is optional and still in beta. If you log into your financial institutions, it will download your financial data directly from your bank. Then, Compass uses this data to complete a first draft of your disclosures. Be patient with loading times during this process. The information screen shows case numbers, children information, contacts, and other information. You can update this information if needed. If you are a King at Law client, the billing screen is where you'll set up payment and see information about our fees. If we represent you in a disputed case, you should check this regularly to see the latest end date of your payment plan. If you are using our Do-It-Yourself service, you'll have access to the Documents screen instead. Here, you can select a step-by-step wizard for the legal process you need to complete to get started. Most of the wizards follow a similar formula. They teach you about the law, create your documents that you can access with a link and password, then provide instructions on how to review, finalize, file, and serve those documents. Still have questions? Text us at 919-706-5322 or schedule a Zoom consultation with King at Law.